Hey, welcome to another episode, or a new episode, of ArtCo Drones and Entertainment channel. Today, I am going to test out the RC2 with the Avata 2 and the old goggles with the old Avata. So, I'm going to give it a test flight, and we'll see how well it handles. And so, sit back and enjoy. It flies great. I think it actually flies better with the Avata 2. All right. There's downtown Denver. I've got it up over 100 feet. I'm going to get it up to about 200. All right. Here's what I'm going to do is, if I could... Yeah, the gimbal works. Oh, great. And I could look up. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. So, I am going to give it a little panoramic shot. And there's Lake Harbor. And it's a little gusty up here at about 200. Let's see. Let's see. It's a little gusty, but it handles pretty good. Oh wow, I never noticed the pool over there. Now you get to see my neighborhood. There's a school over there with a baseball diamond. And there's a solar field right there next to, it's between those apartments, and I didn't know there was a pool over there as well. And there's Kaiser Permanente. All right, I'm gonna bring it on down. Awesome. This thing flies great. I love it. All right, folks, that was my little experiment. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yeah, it flies just like the other Avata did. It seems like it handles the wind a little bit better, although it's still, you know, when it gets up higher, there's probably higher uh, wind gusts that's making it wobble a little bit. But flying close to the ground, it's pretty cool. So, hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe by clicking on the icon in the lower right hand corner, and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is uploaded. And also check out my shorts. I've got a lot of great entertaining shorts on there, and I do a live stream every Saturday evening from 4 p.m. Pacific to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Take care, and remember, keep them flying.